In this video, we'll be diving into the top 5 best dash cameras for your car in 2025. Whether you're looking for advanced features, reliability, or great value, we've got you covered with the best options on the market. Number 5. 4K Wireless Dash Cam. The 10.26-inch 4K wireless dash cam offers incredible video quality with a stunning 3840 by 2160 pixels resolution, ensuring crystal clear footage of your drives. Whether it's reading road signs or catching license plates, this ultra-high-definition dash cam gives you clear, sharp images. The rear camera records in 1080 pixel, so you're fully covered, front and back. Its massive 10.26-inch display features an IPS touchscreen with vibrant colors and a wide 170-degree viewing angle, allowing you to easily navigate through the interface. Powered by a 4-core chip, it delivers smooth performance with an impressive 3-second boot time. What sets this dash cam apart is its smart H.265 encoding technology. It enhances image quality while reducing file sizes, extending your recording time. It also offers customizable driving habit settings for both left and right side driving. Safety is a priority with advanced driver assistance systems, including lane departure warnings, forward collision alerts, and a front vehicle starting reminder. These features help reduce the risk of accidents and ensure a safer driving experience. For connectivity, this dash cam supports both wired and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with Bluetooth audio and dual-channel FM transmitter for music. You can even use voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant for easier control. Finally, the built-in 5G high-speed Wi-Fi ensures smoother live previews, while the integrated GPS helps with navigation and stores footage in case of an incident. The 3-axis G sensor detects sudden impacts, saving critical footage when you need it most. Number 4. Imagebon Dash Camera. The Imagebon 11.3-inch 4K ADAS dash camera is a powerful tool designed to elevate your driving experience. With an enormous 11.3-inch ultra-wide-angle touchscreen, it delivers a crystal-clear view of the road, ensuring you never miss a detail like road signs or license plates. The 4K front camera provides stunning video quality, and the optional 1080-pixel rear camera ensures full coverage. One of the standout features is the 180-degree rotatable 4K front camera, which can double as an in-car camera for added versatility. The dash cam also supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you easy access to your phone's features while driving, keeping you safe and connected. Equipped with an advanced driver assistance system, ADAS, the Imagebon includes features like front vehicle starting reminders, forward collision warnings, and lane departure alerts, providing extra protection and awareness on the road. You can also customize the display with 6 different user interface options, including both full screen and split screen themes. For connectivity, the Imagebon uses Bluetooth 5.0, allowing seamless integration with your car's audio system. You can control the system using voice commands via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring you stay hands-free while driving. The dash cam also offers 24-hour parking monitoring, automatically recording video if it detects movement or collision, and loop recording to ensure you never run out of storage space. With all these features, the Imagebon 11.3-inch 4K ADAS dash camera is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enhance their safety and driving experience. Number 3. Podofo 4K Dash Cam. The Podofo 10.26-inch 4K dash cam is a sleek, feature-packed device designed to enhance your driving experience. Its 10.26-inch high-definition touchscreen offers a clear and unobstructed view, making it easier to see all important details. The modern rectangular design fits seamlessly into your car's interior. One of its standout features is wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. With Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, the dashcam automatically syncs with your phone, allowing you to control music, navigation, and messages through voice commands, making your drives safer and more convenient. The Podofo dashcam also supports Bluetooth, so you can make phone calls and stream music wirelessly. If you enjoy FM radio, the built-in FM transmitter has you covered. Installation is simple with the included cigarette lighter power supply and rear camera. The front camera records in 4K for crystal clear video, while the rear camera ensures full visibility for parking and reversing. Voice control allows you to access Siri or Google Assistant without taking your hands off the wheel. The dash cam performs exceptionally well in all lighting conditions, thanks to its full-color HD camera, wide dynamic range, and night vision capabilities. The dual-screen display lets you view both front and rear camera footage simultaneously. The Podofo dash cam also features seamless loop recording, automatically overwriting the oldest footage when the memory card is full, ensuring continuous recording without interruption. With wide dynamic range technology, the camera handles high contrast lighting for clear and balanced images. Number 2. K2 Pro DVR Dash Cam. The K2 Pro 11.3-inch dash cam offers an exceptional combination of advanced features and a sleek design to elevate your driving experience. The massive 11.3-inch ultra-wide-angle touchscreen provides easy navigation and viewing, adding a luxurious touch to your vehicle's interior. Equipped with dual cameras, the K2 Pro features a 4K 2160-pixel front camera that delivers stunningly clear footage and a 1080-pixel rear camera to ensure full visibility of what's behind you. You can even view both camera feeds simultaneously on the large display, making it easier to monitor your surroundings at all times. For connectivity, the K2 Pro supports both wired and wireless connections, allowing you to connect your phone hassle-free. Access GPS navigation, make phone calls, and listen to music all through the dash cam's interface. It also features built-in GPS tracking, recording your speed, coordinates, and travel track when connected to the GPS module. The K2 Pro offers high-fidelity audio output with multiple connection options, including Bluetooth, FM transmission, and wired AUX, ensuring seamless integration with your car's audio system. You can also stream content directly from your phone to the dash cam screen with AirPlay and Android wireless mirroring. Safety features are a priority with the K2 Pro, which includes a full-screen reversing feature that activates the high-definition rear camera when you shift into reverse. With an optional parking cable, the K2 Pro monitors your vehicle even when the engine is off, recording any unusual vibrations to keep your car protected around the clock. Number 1. K2 4K Dash Cam. The K2 10.26-inch dash cam is packed with features designed to elevate your driving experience. With a large 10.26-inch touchscreen and a stunning 1600 by 600 resolutions, the display offers incredible clarity, making navigation and media playback both easy and enjoyable. Equipped with a dual camera setup, the K2 records in 4K 2160 pixels with its front camera, capturing every detail with exceptional clarity. The rear camera records in 1080 pixels, giving you a complete view of what's behind you. Both camera feeds can be viewed simultaneously on the screen, ensuring you have full visibility of your surroundings. The K2 Dash Cam supports both CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to easily connect your smartphone for seamless access to navigation, music, and more. You can also choose from several display options, including full-screen CarPlay mode, full-screen camera view, or even a split-screen view with navigation and camera or music. For sound, the K2 offers high-fidelity audio output and multiple connection options, including Bluetooth, FM transmission, and wired AUX, ensuring excellent sound quality throughout your drive. Additional features include AirPlay and Android wireless mirroring, allowing you to mirror your phone's screen to the dash cam, perfect for videos or games while parked. The GPS module tracks your speed, coordinates, and travel path, viewable through a dedicated player. The K2 also offers 24-hour parking monitoring with an optional power cable, recording any unusual vibrations when the vehicle is off, providing added security for your car. There you have it, the 5 best dash cameras for your car in 2025. With these options, you can drive with peace of mind knowing you're equipped with top-quality protection. Let us know which one caught your eye in the comments.